Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalker.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the FibStalker nickname. Good morning, today is Tuesday, December the 11th, 2012, and it's 2 p.m. Italian time. In this video I want to review Baidu. This is a highly participated and followed stock traded on the Nasdaq, and the stock ticker is BIDU. In this review will be posted in my page Stocks and ETFs, in which you can find other widely followed stocks. As you know, I want to anticipate that this stock is a very technical stock. I mean, my trading method works very well on it, and the reason for this, I believe, it's the high volume that this stock is traded. That this stock trades. Now, as you know, I want to start from the weekly chart just to have a bigger picture on this stock. I mean, this stock has been around since a few years now, 2005, and we had this huge move higher from 2009, where it was priced $11 up to the highs in 2012, when it was priced around 163. Now, on this time frame, we can actually see on this huge move higher, we can see that price on the weekly chart started moving in extensions, and it respected a previously identified level. As you can see, we could identify this level with basically 10 weeks in advance, and this level 104.50 was actually respected. The price bounced off this level twice, I mean 2011 and in 2012, but eventually then it failed this area of support, and this is a very important development. With price going below $90 per stock, all these move higher in the last few years was basically negated. So at the moment, bear are in control in this stock, at least on the weekly chart. I'll show you on the other side, on the other hand, that on the daily chart the situation is different. Before we get there, let's don't forget this 90 level here. I want to show you on the short side what program trading has been looking at so far. We had this a measured move short in the 133.50 area that was not respected the first time it traded, but the second time in the middle of 2012, July 2012, as we can see, this 133.50 level acted as resistance. So, but what is more important is that not only it acted as a resistance, but the corresponding setup short brought price down right at the target 85.50. The fact that we had this reaction higher starting from the end of last week and the beginning of this week in the stock means that actually program trading is actually active on this stock, and we can see this from this profit taking right at the first target in 85.50 area. Now, what can we expect from this stock? The fact that the 90 level was violated, it means that this stock is due for a retracement, and the first level we could look at would be the next traditional short trace for this stock, and this would actually bring price to 110, and this objective, it's very possible, it's very likely. So the stock is now at trading at 92, so there is a very good potential to make some profits on this stock. Let's move to the daily chart and see what we have there. So I will trace again this first measured move that had resistance in the 133 level, 50 level, and as we can see, it hit target 85.58 and the stock came to 85.96. So that's a very comforting information here. So profit taking will actually push this stock higher, because profit taking in this move lower means covering shorts. We can see in this move lower from August 2012, we can see the sequence of measuring move, and the stock started trading straight away in extensions, and we had a first level of resistance in 117 area, and the first target in 101.50 area was hit, and also the second target in 92.90 area was hit. So the next setup the program trading has been looking at was this short in 98.60. It worked fine and it brought price to the first target in 86.90 area excuse me, very close to this 85.60, which was the target of the larger weekly shorts. So what can we expect now? This last setup short in 98.50 area hit target, so we can trace the next setup, and this is going to be the next resistance you have to watch on this stock. It's 96.20 area, and what I anticipate is that this area might or might not act as a resistance at the very beginning, but I think that profit taking and a higher stock overall stock market could bring this stock above 98.80, in which case all this move lower would be negated, and above 98.80 we can definitely see 110.30 area to be tested. Of course, if price gets above 98.80, we don't want to get involved at those levels, but we will wait for a retracement and then enter the stock. So maybe if price just turns a previous highs, we could enter the stock around 92.60. Notice that the stock didn't get there already, but it doesn't mean that we can get involved now. I mean, to do it, it's risky. We can still do that, but it's risky because the 98.80 level has not been violated just yet. So only by violating that level we can actually be sure that program trading will start buying the stock. And make no mistake, if we go above 98.90, 98.80, program trading will actually switch from shorts to longs, and the first target would then be the 110.30 area. So I think the trading plan for this stock is clear here. In case we get strength, a big strength in price, and bulls are very determined to bring this stock higher, I wouldn't, and actually they do make price move violate on the upside the 116.10, 16.20 level, then the maximum you can expect in this stock is 125, 126 level. I wouldn't hope higher price there, because almost surely weekly program trading will come in and will push the stock lower. Actually, this can happen at the 110 level as well. So just to recap then, to summarize here, we can actually wait for price to get above 98.80. Maybe you can get involved with a very small position here with a stop below these lows in 85.80, I would say, and get a small position and get out with half of it in 98.80, and then wait for a retracement. You should also notice that there is another small resistance level here in the right in the 19 to 70 area. So you should be very careful here, because this stock is approaching short-term resistance. You can get involved here with a stop below and then wait for a retracement above 98.80 and add to this stock into the 110 area. First area of profits, and if price moves above 116.10, then you can go for the 125 126 area. That would be a short area. I hope this is interesting and useful for your trading. I hope you can profit from this video review and video analysis. If you want to get reviews for other stocks, just go to my stock and ETFs page. If you want to get a review for a stock ticker, just send it to me. I'll be happy to produce a video like this. And I also have a free newsletter. You can go to FibonacciStalking.com and get additional updates during the week on the stocks, ETFs and Forex pairs I follow. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good trading day, and I look forward to see you soon. Thank you and bye bye.